Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Telegram not receiving video on Android. Telegram video not receiving is the common issues that face lot of users. Telegram is a super secure as a personal official messaging application. This problem can be caused by various reasons. Maybe due to your internet problem or your application may not be updated. We will give you a complete solution today. Watch the full video. If you are a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Open Telegram app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines. Tap on the settings. Go to data and storage. Tap on the storage use option. Under device storage, tap on the clear Telegram cache button. Click clear cache. Long press on the Telegram app icon. Tap on the app info. Tap on the permission. Then allow all permission. Click back. Click data use. Then turn off both options. Click back. Then click force stop. Open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type Telegram. If you get any update, please update. Once the update is complete, open the Telegram app and see if the problem persists. If anyone has problem, please comment. If you are a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member. Thanks for watching.